正法掩藏，逆附于汝，汝当护持。五灯会元卷17佛释迦牟尼佛著僧伽梨比丘31之一，华译为众句11，又称为大一，由9条至25条制成，是作大法会，或是简国家元首重臣时所穿的。正法密传会能及会祖义。三不入世，足以袈裟遮为，不令人见。未说金刚经，至因无所住而生其心，会能言下大悟，一切万法不离自性。遂起祖言和其自性本自清净和其自性本不生灭和其自性本自具足和其自性本无动摇和其自性能生万法组之物本性。谓会能曰不是本心，学法无益。若是子本心，见自本性，即名丈夫天人师佛。
The lamp of the body is the eye. The lamp of the body is the eye. If therefore your eye is good, your whole body will be full of light.
马太福音第6章22，眼睛就是身上的灯。你的眼睛若了亮，全身就光明。台中国际机电会中华民国总会2001中英对照圣经新约全书
The Holy Bible New Testament Chinese and English Bilingual Edition.
窄门圣经马太福音第7章1-3
Enter by the narrow gate, for wide is the gate and broad is the way that leads to destruction, and there are many who go in by it.
你们要进窄门，因为引到灭亡。那门是宽的，路是大的，进去的人也多。台中国际机电会中华民国总会2001中英对照圣经新约全书
The Holy Bible New Testament Chinese and English Bilingual Edition.
窄门圣经马太福音第7章1-4
Because narrow is the gate and difficult is the way which leads to life, and there are few who